You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these two verbs, these two words that have a rather similar spelling, but they are to be pronounced differently, and they have a very different meaning. More importantly, stay tuned, because we're going to be looking at how to say loads of English vocabulary. So the top word is pronounced as hope, to hope, the verb, meaning you wish something, you have some expectations, you wish something will happen. Hope is how it's said. It's also a noun. Hope. Now the bottom word here is pronounced as hop, hop, meaning to jump like a rabbit would hop, or a kangaroo. So top verb is hope, hope. Bottom verb is hop. Did you get this? Hop and hope. Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciation. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.